Hey there, Jamie Smith, cfprotools.com. Just wanted to come to you this morning with a quick script. I had a request by email for one to replace the the UTM term in a URL and replace that onto the actual page content. UTM terms, if you're not familiar, you can set these up to track keywords and sources and campaigns and whatnot inside of Google Analytics. So if you've got, you want to set up a special link that uses that UTM term, then it just allows you to a little more quickly identify traffic, specific keyword traffic within your analytics account. So this person wanted to be able to take that term from the URL and replace it onto the content of the page. Wanted to be able to do this within ClickFunnels. I had done a script similar to this, grabbing terms or parameters from the URL and dumping them into the body content. So this was a quick and easy fix. So I just wanted to make it available inside of the CF Pro Tools membership area, as well as share it here in the group. Hopefully you guys will find it useful. I'll drop everything down below. This is just a quick video of how the script works, what you can change, and how to get it implemented. So I've got the code up right here. We can pull this up, and the one thing that you'll want to keep in mind is this default term. What I've done is set that up so that that is what's going to get put into the page content if the variable doesn't exist on the URL. So if the UTM term is not in the URL, what term or what keyword would you like to be shown instead? So that's this here. You can replace that with, whatever you want it to be. And then if the term is not in the URL, then this string is going to get put into your page content. So we'll show how that works here in just a second. But basically, you just copy this content, and then we're going to bounce into a test sales page that I've got thrown together, and we're going to paste that script in. I've got one already installed here, so I'm going to clear that out. But you're just going to go into your footer custom tracking section and scroll to the bottom or all the way at the top. Just make sure you're not wiping out what's already in there, but just paste that new script in. And then what you're going to do is in your content, you'll notice here I've got a text block, and I've got that UTM term, double brackets right here with UTM term. That's what you want to put in your content. You can put that in anywhere. So I'm just going to select this, and I'm going to put in double brackets, UTM term, double brackets again. And then I'm going to say update. And then that's going to save that in there. You're going to see that inside of your page. We want to go ahead and save that. And I'm going to go ahead and do a preview here. And then what we should see is that you'll notice your term gets replaced here. That was the default value. Your term also gets replaced here. Again, default value. So let's try this with an actual UTM term. So if I go and I take out this preview cache buster and put in UTM term equals CF Pro Tools rocks, and put that in there. Now we'll notice when that page loads, we get CF Pro Tools rocks embedded in our content. So this also works for those where you've got plus signs, which is usually what would replace a space. You'll see these in URLs quite a bit. So we automatically strip those plus signs out and replace them with spaces when we put them back into the content. So hope you find this little tool useful. I'll make it available in the CF Pro Tools membership area. Also copy it down below. So have an awesome day. Talk to you soon.